All right, welcome to this setup videos or this videos I'm going to be taking you through. This is a short videos that will be taking you through our platform setup. It means setting up platform that you're going to use, all right, to trade fast request in Forex, aka binary options. Now, like I said in our first videos, I believe by now you should have gone through, the concept video, then the blueprint video. Here is now the how tools, how to open a platform, use it to fund it, all right, and how to trade with it, so that you can begin to leverage our live trading sessions. So now, one of the things, like I said in the video, because of the purpose of guidance, so we may be mentioning brokers. Also, for you to know how it works, you're definitely going to be seeing a platform of a broker. So in this video, I'm going to be, exposing, two brokers that I'm familiar with, that you guys, people do have access to. Now, like I said, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not someone who's selling you a broker, but just for the purpose of guidance, I'm using this platform to show you. All right. And in the comment section of this video, in case you're interested, you want to go directly with a link to accessing this platform because of fishy activities on the internet. You can actually check the comment section. There will be a link, to guide you properly into the session. But guess what? You to set you up in brokers, it comes with relationship. You have to get, in contact with your upline or someone who's introducing into this platform to properly guide you. This is just for video reference, so you can know how to get into this phase. So I'm just going to get into, my web right now and show you. So first, I'm going to be showing you guys pocket option. Now, the reason I like pocket option, or I'm showing pocket option, I basically, as a trader in fast frequency Forex, I use one prime options. Over the last 4 years, I've been using them. And there has been a relationship of my understanding with them in regards to their risk, fixed risk to reward. I like them, and they operate in major parts of the world except United States, and some other countries like Germany. And because of that, I have, for people who ask, I have a reference to pocket option. It works in the United States, works in other parts of these regions that are prohibited, and don't forget, just do your research before you use this platform, okay? And they have quite unique features, but similar in nature. So when you come in, if you go to pocketoption.com. Okay, so that will be home. Let me just take you to the home page. This is basically what it looks like. All right, the home page. You want to register, you put your email, simple password, promo code if you have. Then you click login. Now, if you click, maybe you're giving a link by your, maybe someone got into the business, or you're clicking the link, within the comment section, all right, and you're accessing this. All you just need to do is just our registration, requiring it just details, email, password. That is it. This is just to get you access into the platform, okay? And you sign up. After sign up, you're going to get an email confirmation, and you proceed with that email confirmation. You're going to come into the login page, all right? So the login page, what you're just going to require is your email, all right, and your password. Make sure you're writing this down, okay, on your, maybe in a piece of paper, so that you don't have, issues trying to log in. And I'm just going to log in right now so that we can see the interface of what pocket option looks like. And then we're going to, after I show you guys how the interface is here, I'm going to move you guys to one prime option. So this is really literally what it looks like, okay? And like I told you guys in the introduction video to the platform, four things are pretty important. So in pocket option, okay, when it comes to trading, like I said, the first concept is to leverage. It means you're not coming in here, nothing here is teaching you. You're using the platform to trade, just like you have your broker. You press buy, you press sell, you know the parameters you're entering. So what I'm doing in this video is literally to tell you, okay, how to buy, where do you see buy, where do you see sell, okay, how to call how to know the price, okay, how to change the time, okay, what the interface and what you need, how you can navigate the platform. Okay, that is literally what I'm doing. So four things are very important. One is where you get to change, get your currency. So if you look here right now, okay, I'm doing these videos on a Sunday. So the market is over the counter. It means market is not live. Okay, and the only thing you probably be seeing here is OTC, means over the counter. Markets that are trading on the weekend, over the counter, it means over the live market. So if you click here, so this is where you select your currency. Okay. And we have currencies, we have cryptocurrencies, we have commodity stocks, indices, favorite. This is where you select currencies. So if you're trading Euro USD, you're going to see it. So in the live market, when we are live, all right, because we trade on weekdays, okay, this is literally how you will see the currency. You can select the currency from here, okay, GBP USD, but everything is OTC right now because for currency pairs, the market is not live right now. So it's trading, but it's not on the real live market, which is Mondays through Friday. But you can also trade it. Okay. But this is where you select currency. If you want to change your chart pattern from chart, you want to see lines. Some people like this flexibility. Okay, you can change it here. Some people like bars, some people like, but I use candles. All right. And this is a 1 minute candle. You can change it to 5 minutes, you can change it to 10 minutes, but I'm just going to leave it here. Okay. So that's for currency. The next thing that is very important in trading, in leveraging this platform, okay, is now why am I using the word leveraging? Because when you get started within the platform, like I said in the videos, all right, before now, is you want to just leverage access to trading with us and the live platform. So literally as an educator, okay, on the platform, we have sessions where we come live, we share trade ideas where possible entries in the market, all right, possible time frame of exit. So all you just need to do is leverage and you can earn with us live, based on those probabilities. That is what you want to do, because if you do that, you're going to just get to understand how the trading goes, because we're literally doing it live. Okay, so leverage is reason I'm sharing this. So you know how to pick a currency. Then the next thing, you know how to select time. So on Pocket Option, this is where you have this option for time. If you click here right now, you're going to see 5 minutes. You're going to see this is seconds. Okay, in case you want to trade seconds, I don't do seconds. Okay, I trade majorly most of the time 5 minutes. So 5 minutes is my time frame. Okay, you can select 3 minutes, you can select 30 minutes, you can select 1 hour, depending on what time. But this is really where you put your time. Now this is a time frame. Okay, this is 5 minutes. Now when you click this, okay, you see a different time. Okay, so this is reflected of fixed time. So you want a particular fixed time. Okay, you can just set it here, fixed time. The other one set to be clock time. Okay, so it means as the market is reading, the time is reading, that time is proper, is moving. So this is where you actually, if you click this right now, this is the clock. It means it's moving every 5 minutes. This is where you get to use this particular time. When you take a trade, it's going to be open. Okay, here's where you put your amount. So for this particular pay, you can see the payout. It's paying 92%. OTC market always pay high. Okay, it's paying 92%. So if you put $10, all right, it's going to pay you. Did they put it? Okay, good. It didn't. Okay, I can just put plus. Why am I getting this? 0. Okay, good. This is 1 0. Okay, you have to select it here. Okay, this is based on what you have. Okay. All right. So, but this is literally where because of the purpose of DJ, you put your amount. You can actually select and put your amount here. This is like a calculator. You can just do some math here. Okay. What risk you're supposed to use. Then the next thing, like I told you, is order. So this green button is a buy and this red button is a sell. So when we tell you we're looking at a possible buy in a market, all right, on the session, and what it means is that this is what you're going to click when we say the market is ready. So this is a buy, this is a sell, okay? And the last thing we're going to give to you, okay, is the price. We're going to tell you what price we're entering, what time we're looking, which is the expiration. Time is the expiration. So probably say 5 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever it is. All right. And we'll tell you the currency, we'll tell you the time, we'll tell you if it's a buy order or a sell order, and we'll literally tell you the price range that we're looking at entering the market. So the price range means the moment you do every of this, you put your time, you selected the currency, okay, you put the amount you want to trade, you just wait for the price to come to where we call. So we literally may give you, the last 3 digits, all right, the last 3 digits. So what you can do is you can take a symbol. So this is a drawing. If you click on this drawing, you can take a horizontal line and put it where we give you that symbol. All right. So what it means is the moment price gets to that area, voila, there's even a place where you can drop an alarm there. So if I click here right now, I literally put an alarm there. So the moment the market hits there, it's going to hit my alarm. All right. And that when it comes, we're ready to go, you click buy. So that is literally about this platform. Okay. You know how to navigate it. Now, when the trade is on, there's going to be room for you to learn other things where we're going to be teaching on the live, where there are things like rollover, fixed amount, duplicating your trade, but those things can only be seen, okay, when the market is live. And most of those things I'm going to teach in our upcoming live videos, okay. But this is literally the platform pocket option, and I'm going to go into one prime option. So this is what one prime option looks like. When you come in, the platform is majorly on Spanish. So you can just, if your Google is not automatically translating, you can just go on this flag and you change it to English. Okay. And automatic is English. Like right now, what you're going to see if you're not logging, I'm presently logging. Okay. If I log out right now, you're going to see create an account, create a demo account. You click on any of these simple basics. All right. Put your email, your password, and after that, you get an email verification. You go on your email, you verify, and you're going to come into login. You're going to get the access to login page. Okay. And when you log in, basically that is going to be your platform. Now I'm going to go to the trading. The moment you create your account, okay, you have access to the portal, you can fund, okay, but there comes in two interfaces. So when you log in, you're going to see a place, you see trade, okay, and it's going to take you to this platform. So trading.oneprimeoptions.com is the trading platform. So when you're logged in, automatically, it's still going to be, for some of you that is not automatically translated, it's going to be in French. Okay, so I'm going to just show you how to move it in case, oh, you do not automatically what translate. Okay, so you can see that it's in Spanish. Well, I say French, sorry, it's in Spanish. Okay, now you click on this icon here. It may be a little different on phone. Okay, so I may have a version of a video where you could just change it on phone, or you probably just go to google.com on how to change or what. But if I may have a video, okay, or I'll make sure you guys have the interface on how it looks on phone. But I'm presently using a web version, okay, on a laptop. So if you click here on this settings icon, you're going to see all of this languages, but you scroll down, you're going to see idioma. Idioma means uh, language in Spain. Okay, so you click here, it's going to automatically translate, and you just move close, boom, you're going to see everything in English. So this is what like I said, the platform has similarities. Okay, all you just need to do is where and where to pick currency for this market right now. Because the market is closed, you can't see options, okay? But this is where to pick your currency. Now we have three types of timing factor. So there is the 60 seconds, 1 minute to 5 minutes. There is the daily. This time option is for longer term trade, but this is the regular. Regular means every 5 minutes, okay, on the clock. All right, and that is the option that I use basically. Okay, so but for this option, you're not going to see things here right now, but because of this video, I'm just going to go on cryptocurrency and I'm going to select Bitcoin so that you can see the input. This is really where you select time. All right, so this is the regular option on Bitcoin. This is 15:30. I'm doing the video right now. The next time is 15:30. Next one is 15:45. This is every 15 minutes. Okay, it's a 15-minute race on for selection, but for the currencies is 5 minutes. Okay, so but because I wanted you guys to see this factor, that's why I'm showing you. So you'll be able to select time here, irrespective of the time, depending on the time we give to you. So this is where you select time. This is where you select currency. Okay. This is where you put in the amount you want to trade. If it's $5, if it's $10, if it's $100, you just type in the amount. It automatically, like I said, it's a fixed risk to reward for whatever you trade, depending on the time you select, it's going to pay you 3%. Okay. Which means you're going to see, this is going to be the total payout when you click either the order, which is a buy or a sell. All right. Now, the next thing is we're going to give you the price. So you're literally seeing the price, all right, as it moves. So depending on what we show you on the platform, where we're going to buy or sell, you could just pick an instrument, that you can just put. So you click here. I think this is just a moment. This is where you select the time. You can put it in different time automatically on this side. Just like TradingView, you're seeing all of the tools you can use where you can put so that you can see the price in boldness. All right. I've already done this on the setup video. I'm just, a shorter video for you guys to see where and how to navigate the platform when you take trades. Okay, so literally this is how it works. If you want to deposit on this platform, you click here, deposit. Now, the difference between pocket option and one prime option is the flexibility of, there's another uniqueness in both platform. For one prime option, their mode of deposit is crypto. All right. So, but for pocket option, their mode of deposit is flexible. They have different payment option, like putting your card, doing transfers, flexible payment option, likewise withdrawals as well. But for pocket option, you fund with crypto and you withdraw with crypto. They have the option of funding with Ethereum, USDT, ERC, okay, or TRX, okay, which is the Tron network and the Ethereum network for USDT, or you fund through Bitcoin, okay, and also you can withdraw through this platform. That is their mode, of funding option. A lot of people find this cumbersome, but over time, the security measures as to both platform is unique. So, like I said, whatever feels unique to you and reasonable for you, you have the option of making those choices. Just for guidance purpose, I brought this information for you. If you click on the comment section, you'll be able to see a link to get set up with this platform. All right. And if there are any questions, get back to the person who sent you this video or who put you up, for this training or training platform for further guidance. All right. I remain Ken Brimo. Okay. Or you could leave a comment section, or you could reach out, if you want to connect with me directly on my Instagram. I am Kenvry Bluetick. Okay. Let's get more information and more guidance. But if this is valuable to you, don't forget to like and share. All right. God bless you, and thanks for watching.